Hey guys, Gary J here. Today I want to show you my new old katana. It's not a high-end katana. It was given to me by a friend that needs some work done to it. And so I took the blade here and I high polished the blade out pretty much on it. And also I took some like gun glue and I glued this blade, which will help preserve the blade. It has a lot of writing on the blade too. And I think the blade turned out really nice as well. And also I glued a little bit of the habaka here and the SEPA washer there, and the SEPA on this side, and the Fuji collar right here, and the Kamashuri pommel cap right there. And also I cleaned up the Manuki here, which is the ornament. You got one on each side right here, so they would stand out a little bit. But I had to redo the handle on here, and I'll show you the pictures of the sword before and after a little bit to give you an idea. But the handle needed to be redone. It was looking pretty rough. So what I did was, it had this Same, which is an artificial ray skin here. It's slippery. That's not good. So I ordered some new ray skin. I wanted a blood red ray skin, as you see right here. And so it's got a wooden handle made for these katanas. So you just glue the ray skin here, and this is what it looks like now, close up. But ray skin comes from shark or stingray, and what it is, it's supposed to be the toughest leather in the world. It won't even burn according to some people. So anyway, you cut that out and glue it onto your wood right here. And then I ordered some Itto wrap, and I wanted this kind of black and red Itto wrap to match this ray skin. And so I wrapped that on here. And you can pay from probably $25 to several $100s for your Itto wrap, and $25 to several $100s for your ray skin too. So you can get real expensive if you want to with that. So when you turn it to the side right here, you can see these grooves right here. And that really helps you a lot when you're holding your sword. You're not gonna drop it easily that way. And so to me, the sword turned out pretty good. And I got a new saya for it, a nice Sagio here, a really tight one. And also, I took the Itto wrap off of here, washed it, and wrapped it around a saya, which is the sheath, and got all the wrinkles out of it. And I put that on my boken right here. I think it turned out pretty good on the boken. So just wanted to show you that, if you can do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Gary J.